Here's how to install DARKMATTERX Precision Shift Arm pads on any DARKMATTERX shift arm. Step 1. Grab your lube and open it up. Lube up these tips of the pads. Grab your shift arm, pull the U-joint cover back. And we're going to be sticking the pads right into this hole and right into that hole. Doesn't matter which side we pick, we can go any position on here. Lubed end in always goes first. This little concave surface is going to point towards the center of the U-joint. And then this little circular surface sticking out is going to face away from the center of the U-joint, just like this. And you'll know it's in all the way when it's sticking out on the back side, nice and flush. And on this side, got that rubber all the way down. Grab the other one, lubed end in, push it in, you'll hear it snap in. And then on that back side, we got it sticking out, and it's in all the way. Go ahead, reinstall your boot cover over that. Resecure your straps, and you're good to go.